So the best natural way to reduce blood clots and make your blood thinner. That's the first thing we're going to be talking about. That's the overall topic. So again, this is like common sense, but stay hydrated. 70, 80% of all the fluid in your body is going to come just from water. We need good water, right? The thicker your blood is, you'll see high levels of red blood cells. You'll see, higher protein levels in your blood. You're going to see higher iron levels in your blood, right? Just having enough water, good hydration, good electrolytes, sodium, chloride, potassium, magnesium, good electrolytes, good hydration, clean filtered water is going to be key. Just maintaining hydration will do wonders for allowing your blood to flow. Again, people are consuming sodas. Guess what? They're going to have a diuretic effect. Not to mention they have tons of phosphoric acid. So your body's going to be peeing out lots of magnesium and potassium and alkaline-rich electrolytes to buffer the acidity. And so, number one, when you're doing lots of diuretics, too much coffee, too much tea, that's going to be problematic. At least those have health benefits. We'll talk about that. But things like your sodas and things like that are going to have lots of phosphoric acid. I mean, you can use those compounds to clean engines that are dirty, right? Because the phosphoric acid, the pH is so low, and your body's going to use lots of potassium, magnesium to buffer it. So, good hydration, half your body weight in ounces is pretty darn good. Exercise, obviously, that's good. That's going to get your heart stronger. That's going to get your heart pumping harder. So if it's going to help your stroke volume. Okay, that's a big thing. Get your heart pumping more blood per pump. Number two, you're going to increase this enzyme called endothelial synthase, which produces nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator. It's going to open up your blood vessels. And it's also going to help improve mitochondrial density so you have better aerobic metabolism. So lots of benefits from exercise. I'm not talking about it specifically here, but I'm just going to go foundationally, anti-inflammatory, low toxin, nutrient dense diet. That's essential. Some kind of a paleo template or a whole food diet that emphasizes good, healthy proteins, good, healthy fats that are anti-inflammatory, not the excess omega-6, processed vegetable oils, or junky trans fat. Those are going to be highly inflammatory. Anything that causes inflammation is going to cause your cells and your platelets to aggregate, stick together, and that's going to decrease blood flow and increase blood clotting.